walked through endless nights, seen the sun rise a million times, but there's a shadow in my eyes, a weight that words can't define. I've danced with joy and sorrow song, watched the world as it moves along, but this heart of mine, it feels so wrong in the life that's been too long. I'm tired of forever this burden I bear, endless days that last forever, a life beyond repair. When time can't heal the wounds and memories start to fade, I'm longing for the end in this eternal masquerade. I've seen kingdoms rise and fall, built of stone, then turn to dust. But every name I can't recall, every promise turned to rust. The faces blur, they come and go, like whispers in the wind they blow. But I remain with nothing to show for the light that lost its glow. I'm tired of forever this burden that bear, endless days that last forever, a life beyond repair. When time can't heal the wounds and memories start to fade, I'm longing for the end in this eternal masquerade. They say that life is precious, that time is but a gift. But when the sands never run out, there's nothing left to lift. A dream of what it feels like to close my eyes and rest, to leave behind this endless night and finally be blessed. I'm tired of forever this burden that I bear, endless days that I last forever, a life beyond repair. When time can't heal the wounds and memories start to fade, I'm longing for the end in this eternal masquerade.